If you are thinking about replacing your furnace, there are some important factors to keep in mind. Hi there, I'm Bree Zarbach, Furnace Product Manager at Carrier. I'm going to walk you through 4 key considerations to help you make the best choice for your home. The first is furnace size. Your HVAC technician should be able to assess your home and calculate the heating capacity you'll need to keep comfortable. This determines the correct size furnace for your home. Don't just assume your old system was sized correctly. That might be why you're shopping for a new one. The second is furnace technology. Today's furnaces can include a number of features that make heating more consistent and energy efficient. Variable speed furnaces provide optimized comfort by modulating their heating output, providing more consistent heat throughout your home. These models can enhance dehumidification during the summer months to make your home more comfortable with greater ability to vary the airflow. They are also able to match their output to your home's heating needs, using the minimum energy needed to comfortably heat your home. This means potential savings on energy bills. The third is furnace efficiency. A high-efficiency furnace might cost more upfront, but can save money on heating bills for the life of the unit. How do you determine a furnace's efficiency? Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency, or AFUE. The higher the AFUE, the more efficient the furnace is. Consider a high AFUE furnace or ENERGY STAR certified model. High-efficiency furnaces may qualify for local utility company rebates or federal tax credits. The last is furnace heating stages. Furnaces have single-stage heat, two-stage heat, or modulating stages of heat. A single-stage furnace is simply on or off. A two-stage furnace switches between a higher or lower stage depending on the heating demand of the home. A modulating furnace will turn on and then will gradually ramp up or down in response to the room's temperature needs. This enhances energy efficiency, providing more consistent temperatures and reduces wear and tear. Keeping these 4 considerations in mind can help you choose the right furnace replacement for your home. For personalized advice and expert installation, reach out to your local Carrier dealer. They're ready to help you stay warm and comfortable.